happy good morning to all my DXN partner. Today, I will teach you on how to register member online for the online registration. Remember, online registration in the DXN company is free. We get it free. We don't need to pay anything. So, no worries. You don't need to scared about. You don't need to scared if you charge or no, because I'm telling you online registration is free in the DXN company. Alright, so now I have a member I need to register. So this video is teaching you on how to register online. So but before that, please hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you. Alright, in the last video, I show there on how to open the DXN eWorld, and I show at the last part on how to register to become a member of the DXN company. So there, if you can see, I open the eWorld there. Alright, wait. So I opened the eWorld and there was a blue line on the right side. Press there and then press become a distributor. So if you press the become a distributor, this will appear. This become a distributor. Just if you press the three line become a distributor, then scroll down, then you can see, just read the 1 to 9 there, and then I have read and understand. If you have read and understand, then press that, then it going here. Alright, so when it going here, this you need to fill up. What you need to put, you put the sponsor code. Okay, first the country, where is that member. Like for example, here in Malaysia, you put Malaysia, you choose Malaysia. This going to Malaysia system. Like for example, in Abu Dhabi system. In Singapore, it going to Singapore system. Alright, then me, I fill up already this, then I just explain to you for a short while. Okay, sponsor code. Yeah, like for your friend inviting you, then ask your friend what is her or his or her sponsor code, meaning distributor code. And then if you put the sponsor code, must be that the sponsor name is correct. If you put the correct code, it must be the name, it will appear. Like sponsor name, you press the one is will appear the right name. If wrong the sponsor code, meaning different name will appear. So Marjorie Using is the sponsor name of my new invite. Okay, full name. My new member is full name, just fill up. Rochelle M. Laino. Then gender, birthday, just to fill up that one, huh? Then passport or the IC number, the passport number, alright, just to fill up. Personal tax ID, no need, we don't need to fill up this one. Then nationality, like for example, you're Filipino, then Philippine. Like for example, when you're in Dubai, then the Arab country, what nationality you are, Pakistani, like Bangladeshi, just like that. Alright. And then, if you registered your own yourself, you do yourself, then you need to press the SMS, because this one you will put your number, and then you can receive the activation code later for making the password. Okay, now I'm not going to put this because I'm using my email address. So later, the activation code will go to my email address. Okay, just like for example, this one Malaysian number, so I put the Malaysian number, and then I using my email address, raimondoalicia123@gmail.com. So I using my Gmail account. Then later, when I make the password, and then I will receive to this. Alright, so tick here to update the beneficiary. So you need to tick here to update the beneficiary. the beneficiary name. Must be we put the beneficiary name. Tricia May Laino. Wait so I didn't just now press. Okay, Tricia May Laino. Relationship. This one is the daughter of Sis Rochelle. So we need to put the daughter. Or your, like for example, your beneficiary is your son or friend or what, anything, just press. Okay. Now I put the Mallory Stakis for the address. Okay, just put the address, the complete address, so that if anything, then if you have any problem from the DXN company, then they can put this in the personal website, and then they can email you, they can send you the letter of anything, huh? Okay, must be correct. So we need to continue to check. Alright, so this one continue. Yes, now I press continue. This is for checking. If any wrong, then you need to correct before we get the sponsor code. Okay, Marjorie Osing, this one is right. Right. We'll see the number 48 522 48, correct. Rochelle Laino. Rochelle, correct. So this one is already correct. Alright. So there, this say application declaration, you need to read that one. After you read 1 to 5, then I have read and agree to the above declaration. You need to check. So I press and then I'm going to check. Now please review your information thoroughly and click on continue button to complete registration. So you need to review. Just now I said you need to review. So after you review, then I have read and understand. So I have read and agree to the above declaration and then continue. So I press continue. Okay. eworld.dxn2u.com says, kindly ensure all the details provided are accurate. To agree to perform this action. So, yes, I agree. So, I press OK. So, after you press OK, it will appear already. Okay, let's check. Let's wait. Okay, this is already the new member distributor code. The new member already had the account. Alright. So, thanks for registering with DXN. Right? This is the Malaysia system. Alright. This is the Malaysia system. And new distributor registration, welcome. Just now already, Madam Rochelle M. Laino. Alright. And then, the distributor code is 8/21/18/1257. Alright. So, this is already the distributor code of Ma'am Rochelle. So, we need to screenshot this. Okay. So that we save. Okay. Now, just read this one above. Just read, all read. Alright. Distributor must know, must read. You must to read as you want to know about the DXN. Alright. Thank you for registering with us, with the DXN company. So, we need to activate your distributor code. So, I need to activate. So, activate first the activate first time login. So, I need to press this one. Alright. Now, it's saying this, if you can see, first time login, this distributor code, it's saying that activation code had been sent to your email. So my email address is raimondoalicia123@gmail.com. So I need to check on my email address and check the activation code that I received on my email address. So it was there. Then I going back to this, so I need to check my email address, what the password, the activation code that I received. Alright, now I'm here in the email. So in the eWorld, just now if you can see, I received the DXN new member registration. So I need to press this one. I need to click to see the activation code. So I need to open. Okay, this is for Ma'am Rochelle Laino. If you can see, you can see the user code, and there was here the activation code. This I need to make it big. Okay, so distributor code and activation code, we need to write the activation code, we need to remember the activation code. So we need to put the activation code. Okay, so the website is here, so I need to click this one to go back to that, to go back to the eWorld, because we need to make the password. Alright, now we are here. Just now we see, right? So I need to put the activation code here that I received there just now. So what is that? Uh, 7614. Okay, 7614 is the activation code. Now we need to make the password. We need to make the password of Ma'am Rochelle. Alright, the password I already make. New password, confirm password. So I confirm already the password. So I need to submit. So you need to submit. Press submit. Then it's already going to this, a gateway to your DXN success. This is already your eWorld. So you need to press you need to write just now the activation, the distributor code of Ma'am Rochelle. So we need to check. Alright, now I already put the distributor code of Ma'am Rochelle na 821181257, and I already put the password. So here in the secure code, you can follow this in the right, the 4-digit number you can just put in the box. Then you need to press the login. Okay, if you want to save the password, you can save in your Google account. If you don't want, and then just never, press never. Now I'm going to press never because this is not my account, so I'm not going to save on my account. Never. Ayan, if you can see, good morning DXN Malaysia. This is already the Ma'am Rochelle distributor code, DXN eWorlds. So this is already. So just my PBB qualification, just click, because this one is in your account. So there's no record because now I just registered, and after a few minutes maybe it can appear there. Alright, so just like that, the online registration on the DXN. Hopefully guys, hopefully DXN partner, DXN members, that you follow the step by step by registering new invite online registration. So happy good morning to everyone. If you have any question, just comment down below your question, and I'm gonna answer it one by one. So you can use also this video to your new member, new invite, your member that don't know on how to register online, so that they can watch. So this very helpful, Not only for me. This is for you. That is for everyone. Alright? Okay, happy good morning. Happy business day, DXN. See you at the top in DXN. Bye-bye.